everyone, welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time here, welcome to Dahlia Beauty TV. Okay, so there is this look and I'm sure it's gone viral and everyone has seen it. It's this blue, bright blue cobalt color from Kim Kardashian and Mario's collab for their new palettes. Now I don't own it, but I have some blue eyeshadow here and I decided to do my own little look, but it was inspired by the look that Mario did on Kim Kardashian. I absolutely love it, especially because she has brown eyes and I thought, wow, that really made her brown eyes pop. Now it's not so much about who's doing the makeup, who's rocking the makeup, it's just the look itself is beautiful, and I was inspired by it, and this is my take on the look. I hope you guys like it. If you want to know how to achieve this look, then keep on watching. So today not only is my face prepped and primed already, but now my eyes are prepped and primed as well. So today I'm going to be using the 35B Color Burst Morphe palette, and I absolutely love all the colors. They're so vibrant and beautiful, and I can't wait to do more looks with this palette. But today I'm going to be working with the blues. So unfortunately, this palette doesn't have any names for the colors, but I'm going to go in with this beige color right here as my base color. Now this step right here, it doesn't have to be neat because you are going to pile on a whole bunch of colors afterwards. Okay, so let's not judge me today, but I didn't clean my brushes, so we're gonna see some different colors, but it shouldn't transfer onto my eyelids. Okay, so this is scary because I've never done really bright colors like this before. I mean, I've done green, but I've never worked with blues. So let's see how this goes. I'm gonna start off with this blue color right here, and I'm gonna use this as my transition shade. Okay, come through, baby blue. Okay. Got that to transfer a little bit on the top right there. Okay, problem, no problem. Now, this is my first time using this palette in these colors. I am finding them a little streaky, but they're very pigmented, and I guess I didn't quite realize that going into this. Forgot just how pigmented they are, but it's okay. It's all about the blending, so later on I'll go in and blend some more. So now I'm gonna go in with this color right here, which is like a cobalt blue, and I'm gonna go on the outer corner of my eyes. All right, so now one thing I am noticing that there is fallouts, so I'm gonna have to go in later and clean all that up with a makeup wipe. I'm just gonna drag that in. Now I'm gonna go in again with that light medium honey Shape Tape concealer, and I'm just gonna cut the crease just a little bit. And that's how I use my mark. And I'm gonna go in with this flat brush, and I'm gonna start cutting it real quick. And I'm just dragging the concealer down. And now I'm going to go in with the Jacklyn Hill palette, and I'm going to go in with that beautiful cobalt shade right here, and it's called Twerk. So this looks hella pigmented. Woo! Yes! Oh my god. Oh, that is a beautiful cobalt blue. So now it's just all about that blending. And now I'm gonna go in with this dark navy color right here, and I'm just gonna darken out that outer corner a little bit and bring it in. and let's clean up the other side. Now, usually I do my eyebrows first, so I'm actually surprised that I'm doing my eyebrows last this time. So now I'm just gonna go back in with that shade that I put as the base, and I'm just gonna clean up the edges a little. And I personally like to use this lighter shade because it just kind of like blends everything out nicely. So I'm gonna use this NYX liquid liner. I'm gonna need that moment of silence because I cannot do my liquid liner on camera and talk at the same time. Hey guys, so I just decided for the sake of time, so this video is not like about 45 minutes long, I just went off camera and I did my liquid eyeliner. I ended up going with black eyeliner because going in with the cobalt blue liquid eyeliner, it just kind of blended in and it didn't do anything to the look. So now I'm gonna go ahead and do my mascara. Also, for those of you that do wear falsies, I think that this look would require falsies because there's already so much happening around the eyes. For those of you that are new to my channel, I really don't like wearing falsies, so I just like wearing my mascara, and I'm typically good with that. Also, any products that I forget to mention, everything's gonna be in the description box below. For my lower waterline, I'm gonna use this nude color. I was gonna do a black, but I don't know. Let's try the nude and see how that works out. So I'm gonna go do my foundation, bronzer, blush, and all that, highlighter, all that fun stuff. I'll be right back, and then I'm gonna do the eyeshadow on my lower lash line. So I usually don't go all out like this. I don't bake, nothing like that, but I just want to try it out. And before I get into like my contour, my highlight, and my blush, I figured in the meantime, I might as well just do my lower lash line. I'm gonna go back in with the light color, and then I'll go back in with the dark and just kind of work that way. Smoke that out a little like that. And I'm gonna do the same thing on this side. And I'm just gonna go in and just clean that up a little. I guess like diffuse it a little so it doesn't look so harsh underneath my eyes. I'm gonna do the same thing on this side. Okay, and because I'm not used to baking or any of that, I'm gonna wipe off all of this translucent powder. Okay, so I'm gonna go in with my mascara for my lower lash line to just make it all come together. I'm going to contour and highlight my face and do some blush, and I'll be right back. Also, I put a little bit of Fenty Beauty Hustler Baby highlighter just in the corner of my eyes just to give it a little bit of a pop, and I added a little bit on my brow bone as well. Okay, so the last step is I'm gonna go in with this Mario Badescu Rose Water Facial Spray. I use it almost like as a setting spray. I just find that it makes the highlighter pop even more. I don't look matte and dead and tired and dry. This just kind of gives the skin a little extra hydration, a little boost. Yes. Alright guys, and that's it for today's look. If you like this look, give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already, and leave your comments below. Let me know what you think of the look, if you liked it or not. And also, what do you think of my new haircut? I mean, I went a little shorter. What do you like? Do you like long hair on me or short hair on me better? And if you haven't already, turn on that bell on your YouTube so you will be the first to be notified when I put a new video out. You'll get a notification right away. And hope you guys like this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!